If you give me one more bit of guff, I'm setting this case for next October and I'm setting a bond of 100,000 cash. You want to keep going on, tough guy? Robert Eugene Williamson, 267-245-827A and B. Your name, sir? Your name, sir?
Oh, Robert Williamson.
Officer, sergeant, your name or corporal? I can't tell.
Sergeant Mitchell.
James Schwab, 30720.
These guys don't get it, do they? Why didn't you show up? Why didn't he show up?
And my mail goes to, I'm in an apartment complex. And I don't get them, sometimes I don't get them mailed off.
You remember getting stopped, right?
I'm sorry, what? I can't hear. I'm half deaf. I'm sorry. I'm half deaf.
All right, let me put it to you this way. You got stopped. I don't want you to say, acknowledge that you did, but at some point, it's going to be pretty clear to me that you did get stopped. If you had mail issues, you should have called the courthouse. You should have called the police department. Now you got yourself in a real predicament.
Soon.
What, is there a problem with something I just said? I don't want you to cop an attitude with me. If you do, we're going to have a bigger problem.
No, I'm half deaf. I can barely hear you. I'm half deaf. I can't hear you. That's the problem.
All right. Can you hear me any better now?
Yeah, that's all the problem was. I couldn't hear you before. Now what's going on?
Does he stand mute and waive formal reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm entering a not guilty plea. I got an operating with the presence of drugs, and I got a resist, hinder, and obstruct an officer charge. So your lawyer is telling me you stand mute and waive formal reading. Has he been printed on this, Sergeant?
Yes, he has.
I want to know why he hasn't shown up.
I apologize.
Why did you not show up?
I didn't get notice.
Well, you knew you got stopped. You should have called the court. We sent it to 311 Adams. Is that your address?
That's my address, but sometimes things get dropped. Sometimes things get dropped. You know what I mean?
We sent 2 letters there. If they came back, we had to put them in the file.
Oh,
you were supposed to be here on April 30, and then you were supposed to be here on May the 14th, and you didn't show up either time, and I don't have any return envelope or any envelope stamped that was sent back to the courthouse, or it would be in the file. Where does he work?
He's on disability credit. But he has no prior cases. He did tell me about his mail issues. And
he's got prior cases. I mean, he's got a heck of a history here. Home invasion, 98. Impaired, 99.
You can't hold that against me. You can't hold that against me. You can't hold none of that against me because that was over 12 years ago. You can't hold none of that against me. 10 years or older, they don't hold it against you.
Sure, it is your history. I will tell the court that it is pretty old and you make the right conclusions based on that. Okay?
I'm
getting mixed signals. I'm getting mixed signals. Yeah, you're going to talk about my history. Just 10 years or older.
Really? Thank you.
I could just go to some trial with it and then show you that they kept me in the police station for 2 days before they took me to the hospital.
Sir,
even proved that I had
drugs in my system. About the substance, especially.
And they kept me for 15 days in the hospital. And then, now you ain't doing it. Just let me go. I'll come to court and I'll take care of it. I promise.
Sir.
I just didn't get notice.
An attorney next time who will discuss those issues with you. Today, we're just concentrating on bond.
I was reading your history as I was reading it to myself.
You can't read my history because it's over 10 years old.
Don't interrupt.
Are you dealing with me or dealing with them? He's switching me around. Why don't you stop switching me the fuck around, bro?
How about you stop talking and listen?
I'm going to set you down now. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. If you're going to be so defiant, that tells me you're a flight risk. 40,000, 10%. No alcohol. no marijuana, no illegal controlled substances. None.
My bond is 40,000.
10%. It could be
Can't
40,000
be because
cash if you use
it
the
can't be
F-bomb
because
again.
I have 2 misdemeanor charges, bud.
Sit back.
We're going to trial then, bro.
Sit back.
It came in from $750 to 40,000 over nothing. I'm fucking this whole state up then, man.
You got
We're going
about
all the way to
15
Supreme Court. We're going to court on this.
You got about
You can't
15
sit there and take me from a $250 bond to 40,000 for nothing.
You just use the F-bomb. You're disrespectful. I think you're a
No, I'm
flight
not.
risk. You got 15
I'm
criminal
not. How am I a
convictions
flight
on
risk?
you.
I
Listen,
live right here. This is I don't even have a car.
Stop interrupting.
I can't
40,000.
hear for one.
well, you seem to be able to hear when you started to defend yourself. 40,000, 10%. You cannot leave the state, cannot violate a
So
law.
you keep me
You
in
must
jail the whole
appear-
time?
Listen, if you give me one more bit of guff, I'm setting this case for next October and I'm setting a bond of 100,000 cash. You want to keep going on, tough guy? You want
I'm
to
not
keep
being
going
tough. I
on,
can't-
tough guy? Feel free.
I want a
Yeah.
PR bond. I want to go home. I want to go home. I want a PR bond.
40,000. No,
Please.
no. No. You're
But then I'm
disrespectful.
suing you then.
Good, sue me. Okay? Come on, bring it on. Can't wait.
I'm never going to get out, man.
40,000.
Come on, man. Don't do me like this.
Will the court
What?
give the soonest possible?
Yeah, I'll do that, but he's not gonna yell at me and call. use
I didn't
the
mean to yell at you.
F-bombs.
I can't. I'm deaf. I didn't mean to yell at you.
You use the
I
F-bomb.
apologize. Can we start over?
No,
Please?
no,
Can we start over?
no,
Please?
no. No,
Please, can we start? I can't hear you if I'm yelling. I'm not
You
a tough
use-
guy. I just.
you use the F-bomb with me.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you did?
I never cussed you. I would not disrespect you. I just. I can't. I
Listen.
wouldn't disrespect you like that. I apologize.
Listen,
Please, my mom's dying right now. Will you please let me go home?
I'm convinced you can hear a lot better than you think, or at least letting on, because all of a sudden you were able to comprehend. Now, I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm telling you, it's June 11th at 9:30. 40,000, 10%. One more word and I'm setting it for June 25th.
This is a different charge. Why are you doing 2 different charges? That's not me.
Sir,
What you
it's
read
gonna
right now is
be
that's
next
not me.
week.
June 11th. That's not.
We're gonna get you in front
It's
of
2
the
different
court,
people.
and the court could review your bond at that time. And you can discuss the issues with your attorney at that time.
Oh, you're my attorney. So I don't know how it's
didn't say
going
that.
on
I
here.
said,
I get 5 different things going on right now. That's all.
June 11th is your next court
Thank you,
date,
sir.
is what they're saying.
One thing I've decided, Mr. Williamson, I'm not listening to tough guys. You got it? You wanna
I'm-
play tough guy? Get into
I'm not playing
WWF
tough
or
guy.
something. I don't know what to tell you. June
I'm sorry. I
11th.
apologize.
No, it's not good enough.
I'm half deaf. I didn't know all the screens were up.
I could set it, I could just find you in contempt of court.
I didn't know
Lock
that
you up
all
for
the screens
30
were up.
days. One more word, I'm gonna do that. I'm telling you.
I have
June
mental
11th is a
disabilities. Just
couple
hold
of
on.
days.
I have mental disabilities.
Cut
Can
'em
you give me
off.
1 second?
Cut him off, Lisa, please. Wilkins Alexander III. 267-665, 269, A and B.
Good morning again, judges. Yeah, John Grotzi, anything on behalf. So,
Is she
Let's recap the cases we've seen today. First, Miss Rolex, a Section 8 tenant with 0 income, needs time to sort out her benefits and rental gap. Her case is adjourned to May 29th. Second, a tenant whose Zoom connection dropped is given until May 26th to move out. Third, a tenant owes $4,398.34 and is given a deal. Pay $2,500 by May 15th or face eviction on June 1st. Fourth, a tenant owes $1,953.88 and has been trying to pay, but the system wouldn't take her money. She's given until May 22nd. Each case is different, but the theme is the same. Housing is complicated, the system is imperfect, and people are struggling. The judge is doing his best to balance the rights of landlords with the needs of tenants. It's not always easy, but it's always real. If you found these cases as interesting as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.